folks, what's good? Welcome back to the vlog. So today we have a short one, but I thought it deserved its own video. So last week I was up at Todds Leap with Team 2 Dabs, and Andy Gordon let me have a ride on his 2024 GASGAS EC500 4-stroke. So first time I rode a 500, I thought I'd just do a bit of a video on my thoughts on it. So yeah, you'll see the test ride anyway. Here's some of my thoughts then, but yeah, I guess just different riding experience for me. Big, heavy, brutal bike, so much power, so much torque. Probably a bit too much in the conditions we were in. You know, it was probably better suited to more flowy, open green lanes, rather than a bit more tight, compressed, technical stuff. But yeah, it was good fun. Nice to try something new. And yeah, thanks to Andy for letting me have a go on the bike. So yeah, say no more, we'll take you to the video, and yeah, thanks for watching.
Right then, the GASGAS 500 4-stroke. So there it goes. Getting dicey. Oh, she's a big brute to turn. It's a big old brute of a machine, like. It's heavy.
It suits me being big.
That's probably, it's probably where it sprung for me.
Aye,
so I was getting thrown about, but
just I did that on the 250 and didn't make it, but I can log up it and that.
I was scared of it because I dropped it.
It'll just go vertical. Work away, like big boy rules if you want to try it.
Fuck it, we'll give it a go.
Go ahead, I'm not watching.
That's a fucking brute, that is.
Did you make it?
I made it. There was a stage there where I thought it was going to go like that, but I made it.
It's a silly bike, like.
I can see the fun of it, like. I wouldn't want to race it.